Welcome to Colombia and the end of the world. This is the end. No, it's not the end, but it's actually the starting point to the end of the world. Where we enter, it's a beautiful afternoon. Yesterday and the week before it was raining all the time, so now we're lucky. Let's hope we're lucky tomorrow, because we'll go up and there's a simple hostel where we'll stay the night. And then tomorrow we'll go to the end of the world, which must be a waterfall that blows your mind. After a few meters there's a bridge to cross, and of course the girls, they had nothing else in their mind than starting to jump and trying to destroy the bridge. So that's how it looks like.
Bienvenida.
Gracias, señor.
Gracias, al fin del mundo.
This is where we're going. The end of the world. After paying the entrance fee, which is 20,000 for Colombians or citizen, and I think 35 for foreigners. 35,000 pesos. The first part is along the river, and then now we are going up all the way, and they said it's like 90 minutes. We also received insurance for today and tomorrow. Insurance is again 3,000 each for each day, so 6,000 each. And the guy didn't pay entrance fee, so it was 75 altogether, because we're going to sleep over inside. And we already lost Guide and Sarah because they're having short legs, and Valentina is giving the pace, which is like almost running up the hill. Now, 90 minutes afterwards, we're here! The end of the world, the biggest waterfall Colombia has to offer. Look at this. No, I'm lying, it's just a joke. It's right at the beginning. We have a little hut, and the river coming down looks really beautiful. But we just had to stop that the other can catch up, and that we can discuss how to get up the hill. Actually very funny. I overpassed Valentina and started making the pace, so we had to stop because she had to get into sport mode. She had to take up her shirt, that she's like really in the runner dress kind of type mode to keep up, because it's warm, and going uphill makes you sweat a little bit. So it's wooden here, all trees around, so the temperature is much more comfortable. And we go to Waka Waka. Yes, you see? That's the difference between 41 and 22. We walked like, I don't know, 35 minutes, and Yeah, the shoes I'm having are the same shoes I had for going to Ciudad Perdida. They're not the best ones because most of the trail are wet stones, and with those shoes, they're like, I don't know, they're called cross trail running shoes. You don't have a good grip. Those shoes are much better in dirt and stuff. So this is where we got. It's like a natural swimming pool. It's awesome. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. It's like already this is worth going here. And there's one guy swimming, and besides that, there's nobody. It's beautiful, and I'm sure here it's deep enough you can jump down from here. Let's see. See that? Ah, it's wonderful. And yeah, Valentina, she made a good job. She was whining a lot in the beginning, but then I told her, "Don't be a princess," and then she worked very good. So let's see what she's selling. Valentina, so what do you say?
It's great. I'm very tired, but it was great. It's actually a very nice walk.
Perfect. So that's it, and let's see what else we are going to find. This is just amazing. There is another, like, yeah, I don't know, 100, 200 meters further down, you have another natural pool with a waterfall. Awesome place. And nobody. It's just untouched. It's paradise. We arrived to the end of the world. So here is the rock, and then it goes down over 70 meters. Because they're organized as a corporation, they organized everything. They have the processes in place. We get here a harness, will be secured with ropes, and then we can go to the edge and see down to the end of the world. Because the Earth is flat, as you know. Hello to all the flat earthers in the world. Here is the edge. And yeah, then we'll look down. Bueno, perfecto, vamos.
Dos líneas de protección. Esta significa peligro.
Okay, two protection lines.
Y esta prevención.
Okay, the yellow one is be cautious, and the red one is like danger, danger.